Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Camille, aka Millie K, and thank you for coming to another BOXYCHARM unboxing. This time I'm only going to be unboxing one box, which is the gifted box. My subscription box didn't come yet, but yeah, this is the August base box by BOXYCHARM. But this is Clara's New York Advanced Serum Vitamin E. Hydrating, natural, long-lasting hydration. For long-lasting, you know, for the facial, for the skincare people, whatever. This is what it looks like. I don't want to open it all the way because I'm going to be giving this away. I don't think I need any more hydration products right now. That's a good thing about BOXYCHARM. Like, you know, if you guys do really giveaways at on your page, you should do BOXYCHARM. You can give away things, stack up. You know what I mean when you know what I mean. Next, we have the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydration Toner. So it's like a toner, but a hydration toner. Usually some toners dry your skin out. Usually toners are used if you have acne or if you just want, you know, to clear some discoloration. But this one hydrates. So I'm going to be giving this away too. Oh, this one is by First Aid Beauty FAB. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the prices. Okay. So for this one, the price is $24.99. Basically, this is basically the price of you buying a whole subscription of BOXYCHARM. Wow, right? Hydration toner is $22. You know, they giving you high brand stuff. You get me? You feel me? Rockins Cosmetics. I used this brand before. I used their eyeliners. They're really good. This is a mascara in the color black mascara. This one is $30. Dang, $30? Rockin', y'all expensive. Next, you have a lash set. This is so cute, right? Oh, can y'all see? Let me turn the brightness down. I turned the brightness down just a little bit for you guys. Y'all giving me a little bronziness, but yeah. Oh, girl. Yeah. Lavaa. Is it Lavaa? L-A-V-A-A. And it comes with a eyelash adhesive, which is glue. Come with some fluffy eyelashes. Look at that curl. And an applicator. Yes, and this set all together, $54. Y'all, all of this is $54. Lavaa Los Angeles. Y'all expensive. Now the last thing that we get 5 products in each base box, and you get the Laura Seller. I think it's called Laura Seller. The Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. You're just getting the nudes, the bronze, you know. If you're like a natural gal, then that is your palette. And it goes for $45. Just put that out there. Yeah, that's all we getting in the base box. You get 5 products for $25. Not so bad, right? And you can customize what you get in your box, not actually what you get in it, but if you want more skincare, you can get skincare. If you want makeup, cosmetics, all the same thing. You want more cosmetics, you want more hair products, do you want more nail products, you can customize that. And also you can put in your shade with the quizzes and stuff. So get your BOXYCHARM. Like, I love it. I've been a subscriptor going on a year, maybe 2 years, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you like your girl, make sure you subscribe. Until next video, bye friends.